We see, touch and smell, hear and taste. We take it all in, shaping and defining how we perceive things. Sensory information that helps us to understand the world around us at every moment and prepare us for what's to come. But what if there's another sense, a sixth sense, that allowed you to foresee the future and do the impossible? Like predict unplanned stops before they occur, putting you in control and keeping your trucks on the road. With artificial intelligence, Volvo Trucks is making it happen. We're using new methods to monitor and analyze critical components in real time, helping us to take care of potential failures before they interfere with your business. And by applying machine learning, we will be able to prevent unplanned stops even further into the future, so that action can be taken way ahead of time. And that's really what this journey's all about. We're driving progress within truck uptime so that you can get the job done every time. Mission accomplished, goods delivered, promises kept, and peace of mind to enjoy other things.